Holy smokes, Mitchell, man. I'm going to show you what Mitch is doing behind us here in a minute. Mitch is having a great, ain't he having a great time?
Best time ever.
He gave me a look that I'm not really happy to see. But I'm going to show you guys what he did, what he's doing here. But first, what is up, YouTube? How's everybody out there doing today? As you've seen per our last video, why is there's like country music on, Mitch?
It's not country music.
That is country music, and
So
it sucks donkey
Go
stuff.
ride a Harley.
Ugh. So as you've seen per our last video, we have the engine, the LT4 engine, up at Golen Engines. They are going to be rebuilding this engine to stock specs and maybe some upgrades. We'll have to talk to the customer about that, like I said before. But like I said, I want to show you what Mitch is doing here. And you guys are going to be like, wow, Mitch, you're the man. You ready, Mitch?
You're ready to do it.
Oh my God, I don't even know if I want to show you guys what's going on here. Because I came in this morning and I didn't even want to look at what was going on here. All right, guys, so here's, oh my God. There you go, Superman posed that mofo. All right, so here's what Mitch has been doing for the last couple hours. 3, 2, 1.
Hours ain't even close.
So if anybody knows what's going on here, Mitch is actually converting my 98 Trans Am Formula harness to repin it to a 99 and up ECU harness, because I'm actually going to be using the ECU from Red Rocket because it's already tuned, but I need to use it with my 98 harness because my 98 harness is a 6-speed harness, not an automatic harness, and it's just a little bit easier to use this harness and do this as opposed to messing around with the old harness. But we are going to be using obviously the 2001 Red Rocket ECU. That's what Mitch has been doing. All these papers, all these conversion papers, he's got all kinds of stuff written down. He loves wiring, don't you, buddy?
Oh yeah.
He just loves it.
I really am trying
Look
to
at
get
this.
better at it, so that's why I'm doing it.
Oh my God, that looks like a damn mess to me, honestly. I'm not gonna lie.
It was a mess.
But you're doing a good job, Mitch.
Thanks, man.
The people on YouTube appreciate the work that you're putting in. It's amazing how much they love you, dude.
I do my bestest.
You're your bestest. But yes, that is what's going on here. This does look like a mess. But the bonus side of this, and this is the first time Mitch has ever done something like this, but the bonus side of this is now he knows how to do it. And he can replicate this and do it again, probably a lot faster the next time around, I'm sure.
Probably end up doing it to my
I was going to say, you might want to end up doing it to your car because it's going to be easier for you.
I think I could just use your wiring harness in that car.
You could.
Because it'll be an automatic.
Well, oh yeah, you know what? You could actually. You could actually use my wiring harness. This is true. Oh no, hold on. Hold on. Come here.
The water temp says it's different.
Hold on. No, it's this right here. These 3 plugs, Mitch. Remember? The 3 plugs?
I don't need a speedometer.
Yes, you do need a speedometer. That's important to have a speedometer. So you would be...
It's not going to be that fast.
Yeah. So you would be... We actually don't have a 98 harness here for you.
Yeah, I need all that.
I wonder if you can take the 2001 harness from Red Rocket and utilize and try to mess around with these wires to make it work. I don't know either. I don't know, but your engine's looking good, buddy.
Yeah.
Your engine's looking good. I found some more gaskets from Mitch. I found a nice front gasket, brand new front gasket for Mitch. Look at that. And Mitch has these. He's gonna try to use these. Are you gonna use these graphite head gaskets? Are you joking me? Come on.
I'm not buying it.
Oh my God. Mitch is on a literal junkyard budget build on this car. And he's doing it. He's making it work. I've got a tranny here. I've pretty much got everything. He's just very little stuff that needs to be bought for it. You know what I mean?
$500 bolts.
$500 bolts.
$10 gaskets.
With $10 gaskets.
That's why I need the $500 bolts.
Did you find the bolts?
No.
They're in there.
No.
I'm gonna find them for you.
I got enough of a mess right now.
Yeah. Oh yeah. He definitely has enough of a mess. Let's go over here and look at the Ghost. Good old fucking Ghost, guys. God, I love this car so much. I just want to touch it in its no-no spots and stuff, you know? Just because that's how much I love this car, guys.
Yeah, so everybody calm down. We are going to box that in eventually.
Yes, we didn't do it now, yeah.
We're roughing things.
So we're right here, what we got going on here, this is what Mitch has done so far. So we got the turbo mounted, the engine's in, the wiring harness obviously is not in because it's over there. But while I was away in Boston, Mitch did something really cool. He actually made brackets for the radiator and got the radiator mounted accordingly. Now we will be boxing in this here. Don't worry guys, I know a lot of you guys might complain about, oh my god Andy, you didn't box that in, that's so disgusting. Mitch did put some rubber hoses around the edges there just to make it look a little bit prettier, and it does actually look pretty good guys. I mean, you tell me. The brackets look really good. He did an amazing job on the brackets, and then this is literally the coolest thing that he did. The bottom needs secured, and this is what he did. So I hope you guys, yeah, you guys can see that. So he made this little bracket here just to go up against the radiator to hold the radiator in place, and it looks perfect. Only one's in there because you really only need one, but it looks great. And he has rubber going around that as well. We need some radiator hoses, which is not a big deal. One's basically going to go from here to here and here to here. And if you remember on piece of junk Red Rocket over there, we had the old style radiator, which had the hose over here, and we had the hose coming up and over the turbo, back down and into the water pump. Well, we knew that was an issue. We knew we were having some overheating issues with that because of that situation. So that's why I ended up going with this Griffin radiator. This is actually the correct radiator for this system right here, guys. And I have a video from before when we were cutting this out. There is a video stating in the description what part number this radiator is. So go back to that video of us ruining Ghost, and you can find that part number for that radiator back there. So that is the current update on Ghost. Other than that, the tranny's in, the shifter's bolted up, everything's ready to go. The plastic gas tank is in the car as well, because I will be running E85 on this setup. It's going to be freaking amazing. So it's going to make some really decent power, really decent power. And the more I was thinking about it, I was wondering, I was like, you know what, you know, I could get a flex fuel setup of some sort for this and run some sort of a different ECU to run flex fuel. But I started thinking about it, I was like, I'm a tuner, I have my laptop, I have everything I need. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm actually gonna tune this car on 93 octane is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna tune it on 93 octane so I can drive it around the street, have fun with it, not worry about it, even though we have E85 gas stations in the area. And then if I want to run E85, I'm going to have a different tune that I can load up on the ECU to run E85. So if I know I'm going to drive the car to New York, and I know in New York I'm probably not going to find any E85, or it's very rare to find E85, I can automatically put my other tune in before I leave. Not saying that I would drive to New York, I'm just saying if I were to, or to a state that did not. What? Oh, it'll go on a trip. Or say, for example, if I do... Well, yeah, oh, Mitch is like, it can go in a trailer. Or say, for example, I do some sort of a cannonball rally, which might end up actually happening, just so you guys know. And we go to different states that don't have E85. I can just put a 93 tune in, run 93 all the time, and then when I get back here, and since we have a lot of E85 stations in the area, and I know I'll be filling up on E85 all the time, I can put my E85 tune back in. It'll save me a lot of trouble of having to buy a whole ECU setup and having to, have a flex fuel sensor and everything of that nature, since I already have the tuning software and the laptop, and I know how to, do all that stuff. So, and it only takes a few seconds to swap tunes out in the ECU for different occasions, so that's not really a big deal. So, yesterday I was at the dyno, and I was talking to Keith at Keith's Pit Stop. We were dynoing some cars. We dynoed a 2017 ZL1 Camaro. It was the green one. I don't know if you guys remember that green one being in there. It put down like 647, 639 foot-pounds of torque. We were also talking to Keith about the October 20th call-out, which is going to be happening at Maple Grove Raceway in Moton, PA. And Keith is bringing some cars with him as well. Some very slow cars. And I want to show you guys a little footage that I took of those slow cars. So take a look at that now as well. All right, guys, little update. As you guys know, Street Speed 717 is having an October 20th YouTube call out at Maple Grove. And I'm here with Keith. We were dynoing today, and Keith had, he wanted to, what the hell's going on over here? He wanted to take us into his garage and show you guys some of the vehicles that are going to be at the call out, wrecking shop and taking names and winning everything. So we're gonna go in here and take a look. So we have this truck here. Yeah, sure so this truck's really gonna be, it's gonna be taking out all the cars at the call out. It's gonna be crazy. It's gonna be nuts. So we have, what is this? What is this? This looks like a Chevy.
Fox body. Little Fox body with
just a little Fox body with 25.5 cage in it. Huh?
Yeah.
Nothing crazy.
Nothing crazy.
For street safety, right?
It's It's got a little bit of horsepower to it.
Yeah, I can tell by the air cleaner.
Yeah.
Usually when you have an air cleaner popping out of the hood like that, that pretty much tells you that this is a real race car. You know, that's pretty much what it is. And obviously the Pro Stars, you know. So are we allowed to know any details about this, or is this going to be a secret?
It's got nitrous.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Does it have a 300 shot?
Probably a little more than a 300 shot.
Yeah. How much of a shot does this really have?
I don't know. I'd rather not say.
Listen, I'm literally telling you right now, this thing looks like the fenders are about to fall the fuck off.
Yeah, it's gonna run.
Like, you know Dustin Cotton? His Mustang's gonna be there. His big build. That's gonna be a cool car to see. And of course, the GT500 is gonna be there. This is a stock GT500. There's nothing done to it at all, except for some turbos in the front. And it runs like, it only runs a 9.
Yeah.
Like, I think that's the fastest this car has ever gone. And its new build was 9 seconds, so. It'll be interesting to see you do a 9.1 or a 9.0 at the call out, you know, that'd be pretty cool. Yeah. I'm excited. What do you guys think? Comment below.
Like, you just do 170 mile an hour quarter. He's like, I don't know. And it's like,
He's like, I don't know, I was holding on.
He's like, I got his ticket.
Obviously, guys, you can tell by the talk in the garage or the shop talk, this car here is a little bit faster than a 9-second car. So if you guys are going to be coming to the call out, be sure to be there. Get your, you know, hotel rooms and all that stuff prepared and ready, because there is going to be a ton of really true fast street cars out there. So make it happen, Captain. Mitch, how's life?
it's good.
Mitch is still working on the harness after we just got done seeing Keith's cars that he's bringing to the call out. Is it almost done, buddy?
Just about.
Is it ready to go into good old Ghost
Yeah, almost.
and make a whole bunch of power?
Yeah, well.
Yeah, you know.
That's good.
All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, and I hope you did, just a little, obviously just a little update on Ghost and some other footage that we had from Keith's pit stop, do me a favor, give it a big thumbs up. You know what? Give me a big thumbs up for Mitch, because he's the freaking man. Give Mitch a big thumbs up on this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to me, right here, this guy. Instagram, Diablo Formula Racing. Facebook is also Diablo Formula Racing. Deuces.